on you, little fella. But I see you, though. Where you at? Where you at? Yeah. I almost stepped on the little fella. I don't know what he's doing right here. What he doing? What you doing? What's up? What you got going on, man? Why you sitting right here on the sidewalk like this? You can't fly or something? How about I put you in the grass over here? How about that? Come on. Get on. Yeah. It's all right. It's okay. Come on. Damn, something up with you. You sick? Come on, get off in the grass right here. Okay? Get off in the grass. Yeah, just go in the grass. Cause I almost stepped on you. Don't get stepped on. There you go. I don't know over there in the grass. That's right. I don't know what you're doing, but I hope you're all right. You pretty. You sure is pretty.